My sincere apologies, as I had said that I would be uploading 2 videos back to back. I was not able to. It was a really heartbreaking and disappointing thing. Anyway, I have come to this small park where they are housing a pair of emus. Now, why I thought of making this episode is because emus are not that rare and they are really common. This particular species is an excellent example. This is an excellent example where we humans have taken a species, have tried to use it for our own use or our own benefits, have failed horribly, and those species have actually suffered. This emu was originally domesticated with a plan of using its eggs and meat as a source of food. But what actually happened was that the emu egg is quite big and it's quite tough. So it actually failed to attract any commercial value of huge significance. So the emu farms actually failed, and the whole business or the whole plan of commercializing this particular bird as a big chicken or a bigger form of turkey failed. And for the individual species, some have gotten a space in small parks like this. This is actually a male for the species. The male actually sits on the egg, sits on the egg and really becomes aggressive. This is a female, a bit less aggressive, but I won't be taking any chances because the pair has a clutch and it will guard them rigorously and with a bit of aggression. Anywho, I personally feel that wherever humans have seen profit, they have ruined the whole ecosystem, the whole species, the whole ecological balance, everything. This is also a classic example. Anyway, I just thought of sharing my views. This is not a fish video, but still, as a hobbyist, I always think, or I always try to make more people self-conscious and self-aware actually about the plight of the environment and the species that actually share this wonderful blue planet with us. Thank you. Take care. Bye.